Using a smaller beam, 21 inches by 1 1/4 by 3/8 of an inch. Adding the first 2 blocks. So this mark right here is the 12-inch mark. That's the span of the beam. Now this is the deflection length. So to find the exact deflection of 12 pounds, I'm gonna measure the difference of these 2 marks. Adding third brick for a total of 18 pounds. Adding fourth brick for 24 pounds. No, it has to be about 5 and 6. Adding brick 7 and 8. Bricks 9 and 10.
2.
Bricks 11 and 12.
Oh, you can take a picture of the yoke.